Howdy, howdy, howdy from Dusty Trails 4x4. This is Christoph with Dusty Trails 4x4 Garage. And it is a beautiful day out today. Sunny, cool, and here on the property, we have been doing some carpentry. And I was telling stories from when I was taking building trades with Manuel Leyva at Doñana Branch with my Uncle Ron. You know, we used to call him Manuel Leyva, Professor Leyva. We used to call him manual labor. Ha ha ha. He thought it was funny. Everybody thought it was funny. But as you can see, I put extra brackets. I put an extra bracket right there. Right there. And another one right there for the 2x6s against the main frame. And then we put these ladder braces across here to reinforce, well, basically everything we can, because we're going to be putting about 500 pounds of weight on it. And I have some plastic over there so that we can climb up on the roof and cover up that great big gaping hole that lets water drip into the house. The alternative is to put a little drain right there and just let it drip onto the ground. Everyone laughed when I suggested that, but I meant, oh, you know, it was a suggestion. Whatever. Anyway, so yeah, that's what we've been doing, and right now we're figuring out, well, do we do this or do we do that? And we got this straight one, and then this right here. It's like, oh, okay. What we can do is measure from, well, wherever. Start on this side, I guess. Measure from here to here. And do like every 12 inches, do a measurement here, and here, and here, and here. So that when we're marking on the plywood, you know, we can do, okay, well, this is this far here. So we know this is this much. And from here to there, we know this is this much. And then that last part, okay, it's going to be this much, and 12 inches in, it's going to be here. And 12 inches in, it's going to be here. And then we can make the marks and do it like a graph. You know, connect the dots kind of thing. Because that's just the way it's going to be. So, yeah, that's where we're at. That's what we're doing. Hoping to get this done before the end of the day, because we still have to lay down these bricks. We still have to lay down these bricks, and then these tiles, and then, oh, there they are, these tiles, which we got on sale. Yay! So, everybody say hi.
Hi.
Okay, that'll do for now. Dusty Trail signing off. Oh yeah, check on the bottom for merch, because we got some neat stuff. We got beer cozies. We've got all sorts of neat things. Flags, Garrison flags, hats, t-shirts, hoodies. You want to look cool and hang with the cool kids. Oh, which is the good side? This side or this side? This side has more knots.
Yeah.
So this is the good side, even
Yeah.
though this has printing on it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well, that's going to get covered up.
I was just going to say, I was going to get covered up anyway, so who cares, right?
Yeah.
So, alrighty. So yeah, check out merch. Merch is cool. We love merch. We love the hats, the hoodies, the shirts, the glow-in-the-dark condoms. Kidding, we don't have condoms. But we do have, you know, beer mugs and beer cozies and coffee mugs and stuff like that. All right. Dusty Trail signing off. All right, all you 4x4 enthusiasts. Heard some gunshots a second ago. This is Christoph, Dusty Trails 4x4 garage. And I saw a rabbit just right over there, right in that bush right there. Just kind of hopped along, and I said, cool. And it is sunset out on the range at the ranch. And what we have inside, hey look, solar powered lamp. Look what else we got. The floor covered in plywood. And look what else we got. The cast iron stove all set up.
Well, partly set up.
Mostly, well, the body is set up. Yeah, we just got to figure out how to do that. Probably going to involve some sort of an elbow or something. But that's where we're at right now. I was thinking we can get a couple more bricks, about 5 more bricks, and pull it out about to there. And that would allow the flue to line up with the pipe. But there it is. And if it hadn't been for the invaluable help of Matthew, it would have taken me a whole flipping month to put that together. Okay, maybe not a month, a week. Maybe not a week, 3 days.
What is in here?
It goes to that. It's a hat. It goes on top.
Oh, outside.
Yes. And we have all sorts of stuff, but we're getting ready to leave, so we're packing up. So this is what we've done. We put this down, and Matthew did some rather clever cutting here to make it fit with a little key notch right there. And we laid this down, zigga 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 zigga. Laid down these bricks with lots and lots of, what do we call that? Liquid nail?
Liquid nails.
Yeah, with how many tubes of liquid nail? 6?
Yeah, all of them.
All of them? Yeah. So these are mounted up here with 6 tubes of liquid nail. Hopefully they'll stay until they're good and dry. Got the right there, right there. Cool, that's all good. Like I said, I think we're going to put another row of these paving bricks right here, and I'm going to pull this out 1 brick length right there. But there it is. My goodness, it weighs a ton. They're like, oh yes, keep the carton intact so that you can do this and that. Like, carton was the first thing I destroyed. It's like, oh, there's the remnants. There's the destructions. There's the, oh no, be careful. And all that good stuff. So right now we need to go around and close all the windows. And we have solar lights, yay! And coffee. Oh, somebody brewed some coffee. Oh, yeah, it's coffee. Say hi.
Coffee.
Oh, I remember that mug. Can you pour it in here so I can drive with it?
Yeah.
It's my 1970s style travel mug. Probably haven't seen one of those since 1978 inside of a Winnebago. Here, right here.
No, Matthew says no.
Right here.
Right in there?
Yeah. I know the last time I saw one of those was in my grandfather's camper van.
What, one of these?
One of those.
Oh, what's in here?
Coffee.
Oh,
So yeah, last time I actually saw one like this, especially with this color pattern, was in my grandfather's camper van. You know, he had a waterbed in that thing. Craziness. Moving on. And yeah, we've had some really productive construction the last couple days, and everyone is good and tired. I could certainly use some Tylenol. And make sure these windows are closed. Thank you, thank you.
These two windows are closed.
Okay. And we used this along with our Tractor Supply propane. Yeah, how many gallons?
Huh?
Nothing. We just 45-gallon tank
Yeah.
or pound, whatever.
Actually, I think that's an 80.
No, it's a 40.
40?
It's a 40. I said 45. He said 40. That's how much it weighs.
Okay.
So it's like 45 pounds. But when we filled it up, it only had a little bit in there. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I got it hooked up. I got it going. It cost us more money than I want to talk about. And
It was cheaper than buying a stove.
it was cheaper than buying a stove, which is interesting because we bought a stove. Anyway, if you could carry that for me.
Matthew, you want to pull those curtains down?
Anyhow, so we're packing up. We're moving out, heading back out to the house on Moongate where I can take care of dogs, and which are dying. I'm sure they're convinced that we abandoned them forever and ever.
Chris,
What?
look at that.
I don't know what I'm seeing.
The box. What's in that box?
It says Duravent Plus. It could. I don't know if it's an elbow or not. I'd have to look at it. I'm not going to look at it right now.
You know what? Yes, look at it.
I don't want to look at it.
Otherwise we're going to be,
I'm going to look at it.
Well, it says Washburn on it. It's got to be interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah, who's this Washburn guy? It says what it is right there. It's a collar. It's a collar,
Oh,
which goes on the outside on the roof. I just said it's a collar.
Yep.
then why is it showing this?
That's for,
See that F?
Uh-huh.
You see the little line from the F?
Uh-huh.
Where does it go to?
Yeah.
roof.
Collar.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on.
Okay, and here I got excited.
Well, you know, we all get excited from time to time. All right, that's it. Don't forget to check merchandise. And we're signing out because we're leaving so we can go take care of dogs. And see you all.